It is attached. Councillor Cruz.
Yes,
It is.
these people have asked for some money and they've filled in the forms and done it in the correct manner. The only thing that isn't correct about it is normally we would deal with grants in October. We have in our grant pot for the likes of this sort of thing £7,500. They are not asking for a vast amount of money, they're asking for £274.91 for public liability insurance. This is the sort of thing we, as a council, have helped with in the past. I think it's to be applauded that they have done it in the correct manner, on the correct forms, and therefore I think we should give them this grant.
Those in favour?
You must be joking.
Thank you very much.
North Somerset's responsible for them.
Okay, moving on to agenda item
Wharf
number
Lectures,
11,
it's
the
not
clerk's
Portishead.
report.
Portbury Wharf is not Portishead.
It's not. No.
It's not Portishead.
Giving grants to non-Portishead organisations.
It's
Amazing.
not a non-Portishead organisation, and can I remind you that public participation is an end. So we are now talking about the clerk's report, agenda item number 11.